Hey, this is Jeff from Extract Wellness, and this is your 1-minute question and answer on our new product, Afterburn. We've been asked to explain why Afterburn lotion is the best skin treatment after a day in the sun. What turns your skin brown? Well, it's the production of melanin. Your body's trying to protect the skin from the sun's UV radiation by turning your skin brown. That's what a tan is. Whether you're walking in the park, on a boat, playing around the golf, or sitting at the pool getting your professional tan on, the sun actually damages your skin with UV radiation. So, Extract Wellness partnered with 2 of the top radiation oncologists in Chicago to create a skin lotion that helps repair your skin from sun damage. Our formulation requirements were strict. We had to use natural essential oils, ingredients that don't clog your pores, no parabens, no mineral oils, and it had to have a scent so good that you'd actually want to bathe in the lotion. It sounds easy, right? Well, it took us over a year to get this right. Our lab and our physicians selected each ingredient based on its ability to absorb. We had to get the best nutrients for your skin. We considered inflammation control and the potential healing properties of each ingredient. We also created this amazing face mask treatment to go with it. So, if you've invested your time and effort in the perfect tan and you want to limit peeling and you want to maximize your skin repair so you can get back out there, try our Afterburn lotion and face masks. We're confident that you'll see and feel the difference. Go to extractwellness.com for Afterburn and all of our other great products. Also, email support@extractwellness.com if you have any questions at all. Thanks for joining me today.